sweating, y'all. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so happy Sunday. It is about 10 something in the morning, y'all. And I'm riding my bike, as you can see. And I'm in the park, y'all. It's raining. It's Sunday, not a lot of people out here. But there's some people out here, walking their dog. I see somebody back over there fishing. People come to fish in this water. Why? I don't know. But yeah, people are fishing. This is the park. You guys might have seen this area in my previous videos. But yeah, this is my little spot, one of them. And from, I think last week, there was like a bad storm, so it ripped the tree down. This tree is still here. Nobody came to pick it up. The parks department didn't even get into it. There was other, cause this park is full of trees. So you see right there, that tree had fell down too, as this one did. There was a whole bunch of other trees, but they picked up the main ones that won't block the right way and things like that. But yep, so now it's divided. So instead of me riding in here, going around, I have to turn right back around because I'm not going over this tree. Well, you can't unless I really want to take the time to pick up my bike, and that's too much work. So yeah, guys, it's peaceful. I never really get up this early to ride my bike, but I didn't get to ride yesterday. I ain't gonna front. I'm a little upset about that because I like to ride my bike every day, but it's okay. This is why they say, guys, even the littlest things, you cannot go to bed angry, mad, feeling that kind of way, because you will bring that into the next day. So I said, let me get outside and ride my bike so I can clear my mind and just get rid of that, because it's unnecessary. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm upset. I didn't get to ride my bike yesterday, but it's all good. I don't know why. Sometimes you just be in the mood and don't even know why. Like, if you can relate, comment down below. Sometimes it's like, damn, you just wake up, you're grateful to be alive for another day, but it's like sometimes you be like, why am I in this mood? I don't even know why. Sometimes I be frustrated, don't even know why. It's like, oh, you just don't want to talk or deal with nobody. So I said, let me just come outside and ride my bike in the rain. I love, love, love the rain. It's not raining too bad, but it's coming down. You can see that on the floor right there. It's not too bad, but I took my NutriBurst this morning and my NRG, so I'm not really hungry. Then again, I didn't have an appetite before I took that, but it'll be good because I won't have an appetite for a little while. But I'm just out here. Can't really sit because it's wet. I mean, I can if I want to get my butt wet. But happy Sunday, y'all. Hope you guys had a good week. This week seemed like it's, first of all, I ain't gonna say slow, because August is really, really running through us. Like, seriously, it's just going by so fast. And September, some people kids, it's all, I mean, not kids, but some states are allowing kids to go back to school. Comment below how you feel about that. Are you guys sending your kids to school, September? I don't know if it was true or not, but I read something about how parents had to sign some coronavirus thing. If the kid, God forbid, dies or gets sick in school, the school is not responsible. It's like, I don't know. I just still feel my way about this whole government stuff, this coronavirus. But let me know how you feel about sending your kids back to school. If you have kids, are you sending them back to school? Kalia, she's only 1.5, so she's not ready for school yet. But I've been already thinking about homeschooling. I know it's gonna be a lot. Shout out to the moms who homeschool, because I know it's not easy, especially if you have more than one kid. I have one kid, so I can imagine what this is gonna be like. But if you have more than one kid and you homeschool, kudos to you. But there's something I've been really thinking about, because the world is changing. I don't know how I feel about letting my daughter go back to school. I mean, go in school. But I don't know. I really don't know. You know what I mean? She's not gonna, get to, I don't know. I would like her to experience the whole being in the classroom with other kids and all that stuff. But things is not the same how it was when I was in school. So I don't know. So if you're sending your kids back to school, let me know how you feel about it down below. You see your girl. This is a mixture of sweat and rain. You know what I mean? But anyway, we have the bells. I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, I'm about to get back to riding, guys. I just wanted to jump in here really quickly and say, hey, happy Sunday. August is going by so fast, so I'm just really taking my time, but also making sure every day I stay active, because like I said, I have a goal by December 31st to reach my goal weight, and I'm gonna get there. Let me tell you something. I don't care what products you take, what supplements, whatever the case is, not saying that nothing works, and my products are amazing and they work, but it is hard to lose weight, guys. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like I said in my previous videos, y'all, I've always been like up and down on my weight journey. I'll lose weight, gain it, lose weight, gain it. Then I'll get to a point where like, all right, I like to stay right here. Then I'll gain. So losing weight is so freaking hard. Like, it's really a mental thing. You really gotta want it. You really gotta discipline yourself. So this is why I said before, I used to feel like, oh, I need to rush and get to this certain way, get to this. But I said, you know what, this is my journey. I shouldn't be rushing for anybody. You know what I mean? I did it for myself. So this is why I'm taking my time. This is my journey. So I said I got until December, which is like 5 months from now. About 5 months from now, something like that. So if you guys are struggling with your weight loss, your health goals, your health journeys, just remember to relax and take your time, guys. This is your body. This is your journey. Yes, TLC products are amazing. TLC helped me lose over 25 pounds. You know what I mean? So it's just me, y'all. It's just me, and I'm sure it's just you too. If you have a goal or anything you want to reach it, you can't reach it because I don't know. Anything can happen. It's just hard to lose weight, guys. Don't let anybody fool you and tell you, oh, take these products, you're gonna magically lose weight. Because even with TLC products, it's not magic. You can't just take the product and then don't do nothing. No, don't get me wrong. A lot of people don't even exercise. This is why I say everyone's body is different. There are a lot of people who don't even exercise. Half the time they don't even change their diet really, but they take the products and they lose weight. So I mean, but that's why we say we don't make any income claims, the medical claims, because everyone's body is different. But of course, with TLC products especially, majority of the people who got big transformations, they took their products, they ate right, and they worked out and they exercised. You know what I mean? So it's just having, ooh, I don't do the worms. Ooh, I don't do the worms. So it's just having a balance of what you do. Yes, you take your products. Yes, you eat right, and yes, you work out. That's why the 30-33 is so lucrative, because it consists of you doing these things, doing these 3 things, which are committing 30 days, y'all. 30 days, taking 3 products every single day and working out for at least 30 minutes a day. So that's the 30-33. That's how I lost my 25 pounds. I swear by it. I love the 30-33 kit. And if you don't know what the 30-33 kit is, it is you taking the NutriBurst, the NRG, and the Detox Tea. 3 products every day for 30 days. You work out for 30 minutes a day. So losing weight is not easy, guys. You have to really want it. You have to take the time out to really discipline yourself, y'all. So this is why I'm so happy I got a bike. This is a really good stress reliever as well. I get to work out. Now you see I'm sweating. I get to work out. I get to relieve stress. I get to chill. I get to cruise through the park, cruise through wherever I'm at, and just chill. You know what I mean? So enjoy your journey, guys. Do not rush trying to lose weight. Stop looking at all the hype on social media about people losing this, losing that. Listen, congratulate them. People do lose great weight. We just had a 30-33 challenge pass, and I've seen some awesome and amazing transformations. But it all boils down to actually your diet, because really, you could work out all day and this and that. You could detox all day, but if you're putting the bad stuff back in your body, it defeats the purpose. You know what I mean? So just take your time. Do not rush your process. Enjoy your journey and just stay committed. You know what I mean? If you want to get on the 30-33 kit, the link will be down below. And just take your time, guys. Take your time. And this is what I love about my business, being an entrepreneur and also being a part of TLC, is you can always start over. It's no rush time. It's no, you gotta do this. You know what I mean? You can always start over, but you want to make sure you do get results, because people want to see results. You know what I mean? They want to see results. So if you are watching this video and you struggle with losing weight, and you struggle with keeping weight, maintaining weight, whatever the case is, just know you can do it. Take your time, trust the process, and trust your journey, guys. This is your journey. This is your body. This is your life. And just, you know, gain some discipline. It all takes discipline, y'all, and it all starts in here. So trust me, I can tell you that. I can really tell you that. So I just want to encourage you guys on this Sunday just to keep pressing, and don't worry, your dreams and goals are coming into reality, y'all. So the rain is starting to pick up. So I'm gonna get out of here. I also have to stop to the store. I'm gonna finish riding, guys. So enjoy your journey, guys. Trust me, if weight loss is a big thing for you, you are going to lose your weight. Trust me, you know what I mean? But you just have to incorporate healthy eating, at least exercising, you know, every day, and detoxing. This is why I love TLC, because I get the whole shebang, you know what I mean? I feel like I've lost some weight, but I haven't checked the scale, because listen, the scale will play tricks on you. So I'm gonna just wait and wait before I even look at the scale again until I start to feel different, you know what I mean? So I see you with my bike seat getting all wet. So I see you guys in my next video, guys, and have a great, awesome, and amazing Sunday, and have a great week. Yeah, guys, there's nobody in the park, so I'm just riding. This is a great exercise, y'all. Like I said before, man, it's your journey. Don't let nobody tell you what to do. You will get healthy. That's the goal. We want to be healthy, especially in this season of life. You want to be healthy. You want to be strong. So if you want to lose weight, you will lose the weight. You will lose the weight. I don't care what products you take. I don't care how many times you run up in GNC or whatever. Nothing's going to work if you don't work. So you got to work. You got to be disciplined. You got to stay motivated. So this is just me riding my bike. I need to start running. I know you run, you'll burn a lot of fat, but take your time, you know, challenge yourself, and let's get it.